Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolite channel. Today I would like to show you how you can buy on-chain tokens before listing on Bitget. Yes, you heard me right, on centralized exchange. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, like usually to speculate the meme tokens, we need to charge our wallets with a Sol, for example, connect our wallet to the Photon, to Axiom, to Jupiter. But what if I told you now on a Bitget, you can trade on-chain, but on main Bitget platform? You just go to trade and choose on-chain. Going on-chain without going on-chain. Pretty simple, right? So you press it here. And we open that page. You don't need to connect your wallet, so everything inside that platform. You trade with your balance of USDT. You don't need to buy Sol or BNB or I don't know, Arbitrum or Base token, right? To trade memes on different chains. And it's really helpful because you just can use basic USDT, no matter what chain is. Imagine now only the fully diluted market capitalization 37K. Yes, you hear me right, K, it's not even the millions. So maybe be careful with the trading, with the gambling, this type of tokens. You can find maybe some hidden gem, like it's happened recently with Aura, this one on Sol. Take a look at the chart here. So basically this token lay down at the bottom and nobody cared about this one. So token launched in December 2024, laid down at the bottom, and here just recently, a few days ago, the price was, imagine, the price was 0.3086, and now 5 weeks in a row, the price is 21 cents. And if we count with a magnet, it's like 23,000% gains. This is a game changer, right? And imagine if you just bought this token for $10, even for $10, for $50 inside a Bitget. What do you have to pay attention also? You have to take a look at the volume, because we need to see the volume before the trades. We need to see the liquidity, right? Because without liquidity, you will get a big slippage. And I would like to show you what does it mean. To market capitalization, no makes sense to hop in some token if it's already pumped from 100K to 200 million. So it's not a low cap token, right? Total liquidity, holders, double check. Highly recommend you copy the contract and double check the distribution at the launch day using the Bubblemaps. How to analyze the tokens on Sol, on BNB Smart Chain using the Bubblemaps. I already showed you. Highly recommend you double check the main educational videos. The Bitget introduce you here the hot picks. So this one already pumped at 3,700%. I want to take a look at the charts. What a spike. What a spike and what a dump. Nice one. So be careful. Be careful. Double check all the time the chart. This is a fresh new one. Tokens, Base Chain, for example, Sol or BNB Smart Chain. You can track by FDV, fully diluted market capitalization. So this is what we can see on the left screen of our page. On the right side, you don't need to, charge this account, because on-chain Bitget will use your balance on the spot, your USDT on the spot, which you hold. So also be careful, and maybe convert some USDT into USDC to not spend by some mistake too big amount of USDT. You can choose by percentage, for example, 25%, 50%, 75, 10%, 100%. Minimal, you can buy a $5 AQO. And of course, guys, you have to know this token not listed by Bitget. It's still on chain. Bitget just provide the option to trade tokens like this one inside a platform. Token looks horrible, right? I want to check the holders, 13K, 125K market capitalization. For example, I can buy $5. This is your balance, credited to on-chain account. Priority mode. So this is what you have to pay attention. Best price, because when you press buy, the price will be kind of different, not like we see now, 0.3013. But we can go to settings and change. So best success rate, and this is a slippage. Because if there's not so much liquidity, the liquidity now only 73K. When you press buy for $100, you can push the price a little bit higher. And while the on-chain, your order will be filled, the price a little bit move higher, and it can be the slippage like 7%. So you have to know it. You can choose the best success rate or the best price or custom. Usually I can say better use the best price option. Confirm, update quote to check the relevant price, and press buy. See. Payment 5 USDT, confirmation, estimated receive. This one, current price, this one, confirm. So my order filled. I can double check in order history. Here, let's refresh the page. Here you can track where you buy the coin. Here's 17 seconds ago. This is my order, and I can check the realized P&L. And this is my holdings on the Bitget on-chain. To sell it, you can press flash sell and sell it immediately, or choose sell, choose amount of tokens what you would like to sell, and press sell. But the order should be at least worth of $5 minimum. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you wanna gamble with the meme coins, you can do this now inside a Bitget. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.